Question number 3. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. First part, x raised to power 2 minus 1 upon 2x minus 1 upon 2 equal to 0. First of all, LCM is 2 and 2 multiplied by x square, that is 2x square minus x minus 1 divided by 2 equal to 0. And 2 is directly multiplying by 0, this will be 0, and we get a quadratic equation 2x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. We are comparing this quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and a, b, c. A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 1, and c is equal to minus 1. Discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. D is equal to minus 1 raised to power 2 minus 4 into 2 into minus 1, 4ac, which implies discriminant d is equal to 1 plus 4 2s are 8, which implies discriminant d is equal to 9. If discriminant is positive, if discriminant is greater than 0, so roots are real and distinct. And if real roots exist, find them. X is equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. X is equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. X equal to minus b is minus 1 plus minus root b, d is equal to 9. Root 9 divided by 2 into a is equal to 2. X is equal to 1 plus minus root 9, that is 3, divided by 4, which implies x is equal to 1 plus 3 upon 4 and 1 minus 3 upon 4. This implies x is equal to 4 upon 4 comma minus 2 upon 4. This is cancelled by 1, and 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So we get the value of x is equal to 1 comma minus 1 upon 2. Answer. Second part is given, that is x raised to power 2 minus 2 root 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Solution. Comparing it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We are comparing this quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get a is equal to corresponding coefficient of x square is called a, that is 1, and coefficient of x is called b, that is minus 2 root 3, and coefficient of c, that is constant, minus 1. Discriminant d, that is equal to b square minus 4ac. D is equal to minus 2 root 3, that is b raised to power 2 minus 4 into a is 1 and c is minus 1. Discriminant D is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, that is positive 12, and 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, which implies discriminant D is equal to 16. When D is greater than 0, then so roots are real and distinct. Using the formula x is equal to minus b plus minus root d, that is b square minus 4ac upon 2a. X is equal to minus 2 root 3 minus b and plus minus root d is equal to 16 divided by 2 into a is 1. Next step, value of x equal to minus minus, that is plus 2 root 3 plus minus root 16, that is equal to 4 divided by 2, which implies x is equal to 2 root 3 plus minus 4 upon 2. Numerator 2 is taking common. X is equal to 2 root 3 plus minus 2 divided by 2. 2 is taking common and divides by 2. So we get the value of x is equal to root 3 plus minus 2. Value of x is equal to root 3 plus 2 comma root 3 minus 2. Answer. First part, x square minus 1 upon 2x minus 1 upon 2 equal to 0. LCM is 2 and 2 is cross multiplying x square, that is 2x square minus x minus 1, LCM is 2 is equal to 0. And 2 multiplied by 0, this will be 0, and quadratic equation is 2x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. We are comparing this quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then we get the value of a, b and c. Value of a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to minus 1. Discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. B is minus 1 square minus 4 into 2 into minus 1, that is minus minus is plus, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. Discriminant is equal to 9. Roots are real and distinct, and we find the other roots of x, that is minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. Using by discriminant formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. D is equal to 9 minus minus 1 root 9, that will be 3 square, root square is cancelled, root 9 is 3, 1 plus 3 upon 4 and 1 minus 3 upon 4, 4 upon 4, that is 1, and minus 2 upon 4, that is 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, minus 1 upon 2. So value of x we get 1 comma 1 upon minus 1 upon 2. Answer. And second part is here, x square minus 2 root 3x minus 1 equal to 0. We are comparing this quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and we get the value of a is 1, b is minus 2 root 3, and value of c is equal to minus 1. Discriminant is denoted by d, that is equal to b square minus 4ac, and putting the value of b, that is minus 2 root 3 square, minus 4 into a is 1 and c is minus 1, minus minus, that is plus 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 4 equal to 16. Discriminant is greater than 0, so roots are distinct and real. Roots are real and distinct, so we are using the formula x is equal to minus b plus minus root b, d is upon 2a, d is equal to b square minus 4ac. We find the value of d is 16, and putting in this formula we get minus 2 root 3, that is b, plus minus root d is root 16, and root 16, that is equal to 4 divided by 2 into a. 2 into a is 1. Numerator we are taking 2 common and divide by 2. This is cancelled and we get the value of x, 2 roots. Value of x, that is 2 roots of x, 3 root 3 plus minus 2. One root is root 3 plus 1 and other root is root 3 minus 2. Answer. Thank you so much.